What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Final Boss Garage. It's February. Valentine's Day is right around the corner. I know a lot of us are broke around this time, so today's episode is about cheap mods. The Camaro has been sitting the same for a while. Nothing really much has been going on with it, but one thing that's been driving me nuts, my side markers. Since I've had the car, I've had black side markers. They're not blacked out or anything. It's literally just black spray paint. So, in honor of cheap mods, went on good old eBay and searched Camaro accessories. And for like 25 bucks, I was able to get new side markers. And these, I believe, are LED. This is my unboxing. First impression. Alright, so they don't really look like much. They're black, but they look a whole lot better than they did. Looks like it's just a simple little bulb housing. And the rest of the housing looks the same, so I'll be able to throw some screws on that and put these bad boys in. Should take 2 seconds, and we'll check these out. This is kind of what I'm dealing with currently. You can tell it's all just spray painted. Looks like trash, so we're gonna go ahead and take a look at that. Maybe try to figure out why this blinker's not on. No, worth a shot. And looks like this bulb's not even working, so we'll swap that out. Also, this is my little mini-me, in case you guys haven't seen him. He just turned 2 in October, and doesn't know how to ride a bike, but knows how to drive the hell out of a Jeep. Or this tank over here. Thing pulls wheelies. Alright, so this is the side housing. Looks like there's just 2 springs on each side, and they just go through these little tabs. To be honest, I've never taken these apart, and I did not Google this or anything. Oh, that was super simple. Just flip it to the side. Grab this one, flip it inwards. And that's it. The whole housing just slides out after you take your spring out. You want to take your spring out, whole housing slides right out. Here's the new one. And yep, everything's okay, Bobby. I'm okay. Am I looking for the engine? Yep, I'm looking for the engine. You got that right. Yeah, the engine, the Camaro.
No, that's engine. That's engine. Daddy. Bye, Daddy. I need to work. I gotta go, Daddy.
Okay, go. You can go.
Okay. Bye, Daddy.
All right, I'll see you later, Bubs. So now, I have my harness. Gonna take my bulb out, pull that out, then we're just gonna plug this harness into this. I'm gonna match the black with the black and the blue with the red, and hopefully that works out. Hopefully I can move you guys where I can fit my big ass head in here. All right, So I plugged the end of this harness into the bulb socket right there. And then it's just like everything else on this dang car. You just push it in and give her a little quarter turn and call her good. So my driver's side is just blown. So that's why, hopefully that's why that one wasn't working. We're gonna find out right now. Word of advice, hook the harness up first before actually putting the whole housing up and installing it that way, just because it's kind of a pain in the ass to install the harness to it while it's up there, because you only have like 2 inches to grab. So let's take a peek-sees. Woo, it works. Oh, can't tell you how happy for that I am. Alright, here it is. Having a little bit better daylight. This is what they look like. Pretty nice. So maybe in the next video, I'm going to try to figure out what's going on with this fog light, because this one lights up, that one's not lighting up. But what's weird is if I hit the blinker, the blinker lights up. So I'm gonna look into that on the next video I post, and we'll see how that looks. If you're new to the channel and haven't seen the 4th gen dash, typical 4th gen light setup, that all works. Alright guys, that is it for today's video. It's just a real quick, easy one. I know not super exciting, but I've been curious about these, so I wasn't quite sure how they were going to work out. For the price, really like them, especially considering my factory ones were pretty messed up. If you like them, I'm going to be giving away a set of these. So if you like this video, you subscribe, and you leave me a comment of your favorite modification on your car, I'm going to go ahead and choose a random comment to win a set of these, and then I'll go ahead and I'll ship them out to you. So unlimited comments allowed. Yeah. Anyways, I'm hoping to have some more Camaro stuff for you. Trying to do some stuff a little more exciting, but in the meantime, I'm just going to focus on getting content out. You're going to see some Silverado stuff just because I do drive that vehicle a lot more than I drive my Camaro, but we'll see. It's tax time, my birthday's coming up, you know, maybe I'll get crazy and really treat the Camaro. But anyways, I will see you guys on the next video.